Ahoy shipmates, and welcome to a tour of the Byron Beach Extended Balcony Suite 15714 on the Carnival Adventure.
Cruise crates, fam, let's sail away. Everywhere we wanna play. On the seas we roam.
Let me just start by saying this cabin really blew me away the moment I walked in, and it definitely stood out to me as my favourite. There's a nice desk space. So again, I can see there is 2 US power points over here. 2 Australian. Drawers either side. TV, shelves, drawers. Oh, this is nice. You can make yourself a little drink here. There is a coffee machine. Let's have a look in these cupboards. There's your fridge. Nice lounge area. Dressing area. So this is where us ladies will do our makeup. Plenty of wardrobe space. You will not be low on wardrobe space at all. And look at how many coat hangers are in there. So many. Lots of cabinets and drawers. I'd assume, yep, your safe is in there. Full length mirror so you can check out your outfit. Oh, this is a nice bathroom. Really nice. It's got your drawers, sink, plenty of space in here. Bath and your toilet. And then your shower. Beautiful. Really like this suite. It's nice and open. Let's have a look outside. Let's see. Can go out this way. No? Let's try the other door. Alright, so again, you've got 2 lounges and a nice little seating area. Nice big balcony. Love it. Just outside of this cabin is a convenient door straight out to the adults only Oasis area.